In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase decimal in Excel. If you've ever had numbers in your spreadsheet that look a little too rounded off, this is a quick and reliable way to show more precision without changing the actual value in your cells. This is especially helpful for financial data, measurements, or any calculation where you want to see more detail, like 3.141 scenes instead of just 3.44. Start by selecting the cell that you want to adjust. You can click a single cell, or if you want to update several at once, select a range, an entire column, or even non-adjacent cells by holding your modifier key while clicking. The key idea here is that the cells you pick should contain numbers. If a number was typed as text, the decimal controls won't affect it, so make sure your data is recognized as numeric. With your cell or range selected, look to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the number group, you'll see two small buttons that control how many decimal places are displayed. Click Increase Decimal. Each click adds one more decimal place to the formatting. You'll see the value on the sheet update immediately as you click, so you can stop as soon as it looks right. If you click one time too many, the Decrease Decimal button right beside it will bring you back down. A quick but important note: changing decimal places this way affects only how the number is displayed, not the underlying value Excel uses for calculations. That means your formulas will still use the full precision of the original numbers. What you're doing is purely formatting, which keeps your data accurate while making it easier to read. This works consistently across common number formats like general, number, currency, accounting, and percentage. For example, if you're showing percentages and want to go from 12% to 12.34%, selecting the cells and clicking Increase Decimal will reveal those extra digits. If your numbers ever appear as a row of hash symbols, that simply means there isn't enough space to show all the characters at the current width. A couple of practical tips as you use this. Think about your audience and the purpose of the sheet. More decimals show precision, but too many can make a report harder to scan. If you need consistent presentation across a group of cells, select them together first, so every value ends up with the same number of decimal places. And remember, you can always fine-tune by clicking Increase Decimal or Decrease Decimal until it fits your needs. That's all there is to it. Select your cells, then click Increase Decimal in the Home tab's Number group to reveal exactly the level of detail you want.